Why do 68% of side hustlers work after 6 p.m.? Because evenings are prime time for earning extra cash. Here's how you can join them without burning out. First up, freelance gigs. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr let you list your skills from writing to graphic design and pick up short projects that fit your schedule. Next, consider online tutoring. If you know math, English, or even guitar, platforms like VIPKid or Wazant connect you with students worldwide. No teaching degree required. Prefer passive income? Try selling digital products on Etsy. Think printables, checklists, or templates you make once and sell over and over. Got extra stuff lying around? Snap some pics and sell it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Declutter and cash in at the same time. Finally, microtasks. Apps like Swagbucks or user testing pay you for surveys or giving feedback. It's perfect for winding down while still making a few bucks. Remember, start small. Pick one idea, test it out, then scale up as you get comfortable. Those evening hours can really add up, so why not make them work for you? Ready to earn while you relax? Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you plan to boost your evening income. Stay to the end of the video to get access to making money from home. And please like the video and subscribe to the channel.